Alright, folks, buckle up. We're about to dive into the teeny, tiny, mind-blowingly small world of particle physics. Forget about your cat videos for a moment, this is where the real internet gold lies. The universe's Lego set, at its core, the universe is like a ginormous Lego set. But instead of colorful bricks, we've got particles. Everything, from your smartphone to that leftover pizza slice you forgot about, is made up of these tiny particles. Atoms? Think smaller. Remember being taught that everything is made of atoms? Well, in the world of particle physics, atoms are like the elephants in the room. We're interested in the ants under the elephant's feet. Atoms themselves are made up of protons, neutrons, and electrons. And guess what? It gets even smaller. Protons and neutrons themselves have tinier parts called quarks. Particle Zoo. If you thought the animal kingdom was vast, welcome to the Particle Zoo. It's filled with particles with names that sound like they come from a sci-fi movie: quarks, leptons, bosons, and more. And don't even get us started on the flavors of quarks: up, down, charm, strange, top, bottom. Nope, that's not a dessert menu, that's science. Forces of nature. You've heard of gravity, right? That mysterious force that's responsible for dropping your toast butter side down. Well, the universe has other forces up its sleeve: electromagnetic, strong nuclear, and weak nuclear forces. And guess what? Each force has its own messenger particle. Photons for electromagnetic, gluons for strong nuclear, W and Z bosons for weak nuclear. Talk about cosmic couriers. CERN and the big questions. Scientists are curious cats. They built a colossal machine called the Large Hadron Collider, LHC, at CERN to play marbles with particles. By smashing them together, they hope to find answers to universe-sized questions. In fact, they found the Higgs boson, the particle responsible for giving other particles mass, in 2012. If you're not impressed, imagine finding a needle in a galaxy-sized haystack. To wrap it up, particle physics is the wild frontier of the incredibly small. It's where imagination meets science and where the rules of the big world don't always apply. It's fun, it's baffling, and it's the underpinning of, well, everything. Now, wasn't that more exciting than a cat video?